Hi, it's Sam Manor from Little's Trouble Trains. Today we're down here at Leichhardt and I'm working on a 1959 Chevy Apache. Have a look at this. You gotta have a look at this car here. Check this out. Okay, as you've always heard me say, it's a classic, not a plastic. So what I'm going to do is going to show you what we've done for this guy. He's decided, Nathan, his name is, wanted to get some seat belts in here. So I said, listen, just go with the classics. That's the static style, which is just over the shoulders, not retractable, and the concourse webbing, beautiful chrome buckles. This thing looks unreal. You have to have a look. Okay, let's have a look inside the Chevy. And we've got 2 static lap sash and 1 lap belt. And when you keep it a classic, it's all important about having those chrome buckles and the webbing, concourse webbing. Look at that. That's not your standard webbing, and it keeps it looking classic. And what I love about these belts, okay, as you can see, you can hook them up so they're not hanging outside your door. And that's what you want to do when you do classics. You want to make sure you're able to, so you can easily unhook if you need to, unhook to be able to use that, and then hook it back up when you're not using it. And there you have, in this little beauty of a ute. Okay, can't show you the rest of it inside there, but here we go, locked in and ready to go.